Good evening, gentlemen.
Hello.
We are just recording here and just saying hi to everyone. So if you don't mind, I'm just going to go round, and if you can just tell me who you are and why you're here today and what you're looking forward to this evening. So, over to you.
Oh, hi. My name is Billy Reid, and I'm here to support Ian and Morella, this amazing Global Man event. And I'm a life coach, and I specifically work in dating and relationships and a number of other things I do as well, yeah.
Great, so dating and relationships. There's lots of men and women here, so I'm sure you'll potentially get some new clients this evening.
Yeah. I'm really excited about this evening. It's very, very important as well, actually. It's very rare to get a group of guys together in an event like this. Is very unusual, so it's much needed.
Well, thank you for your support. Thank you. Okay, hi Zoltan, how are you?
All right, thank you. I'm Zoltan Vik. I'm a business consultant. I'm happy to be here in the Global Men networking event as being a Global Woman member already. So I know pretty much how it works and what is the importance of networking. So I do enjoy this new launch.
Great, and I just want to acknowledge you for being a member of Global Woman Club before we even had Global Man. So, it's great to have support from men like you. So tell us, what was it that inspired you to actually join our community before we even created Global Man?
Well, I was always supporting women in a way that, I think men and women should work together, not against each other, and that was one of my biggest inspirations to try to change some of the narratives we see in the society currently, to actually prove that men are supporting women in a good way. And we don't have to be competing against each other, because that's not a good way to work together actually, because we have one common goal, that succeed in life, not individually.
That's beautiful. Thank you so much for your support, and we really hope that you have a great evening today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.